Data visualization using PyPlot. Representing the data in the form of pictures or graphs is called the data visualization. Data visualization refers to the graphical or visual representation of information and data using charts, graphs, and maps. Data visualization helps for better understanding of meaning of the data. It represents patterns, trends, correlation in data. Matplotlib is a Python library provides main interfaces and function to present data in 2D graphics and 3D graphics. Matplot is a high quality plotting libraries. Okay, in Python. PyPlot is a side module of Matplotlib library. PyPlot is a collection of methods allow user to construct 2D plots. Matplotlib used to create 2D graphics and using the 2D graphs of the plots by using Python scripts. Graphs and plots, namely line graph, histogram, bar graph, power vector, error charts, etc. It is used with NumPy to provide an environment of MATLAB. PyPlot provides the state machine interfaces to the plotting library in Matplotlib. It means that figures and axes are implicitly and automatically created to achieve the desired plot. For example, calling plot from PyPlot will automatically create the necessary figures and axes to achieve the desired plot. Setting a title will then automatically set the title to the current access objects. Setting a title will then automatically set that title to the current access objects. PyPlot interfaces is generally preferred for non-interactive plotting, that is scripting. To install the matplotlib, pip space install plies matplotlib. Basics of simple plotting, commonly used chart types. Simple plotting, commonly used chart types, line chart, bar chart, pie chart. Line chart displays the information as a series of data points called markers, connected by the straight line. Bar chart represents category-wise data in a rectangle box with a length proportional to the values. It can be horizontal and vertical. Pie chart is a circular chart divided into slices to represent the values and the percentages. Now, this video will help you for developing the data visualization using line chart. The line chart is represented by series of data points connected with a straight line. Line charts are used to display trends over time. A line chart or a line graph can be created using the plot function available in the PyPlot library. We cannot only just plot a line, but we can explicitly define the grid, the X and Y axis scales, and the labels, title, and the display option. Line graph is a simple graph that shows the result in the form of lines. To create a line graph, we need X and Y coordinates. For example, plt dot plot X, Y, color names. There are three parameters for plotting the line graph. Plot function is used to draw a line chart. A line chart display information as a series of data points is called markers. PyPlot provide plot function to create a line graph. Okay, plot the same like line chart or line graph. To set the labels for x-axis and y-axis, x label and y label functions are used. Use show function to display the line. For example, see the code. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plot. This is a program. X equal to 1, 2, 3. Y equal to 2, 3.5, 5. PLT plot. This plot is the alias name for the pyplot. X, Y plot dot show. So I will take this program. Go to my IDLE. Open. Then paste. Execute. So before doing this, you have to install your Matplotlib. Pip install Matplotlib. So this will show the figures. Okay. As per the your program. So this is the line. Just x-axis and y-axis. X is 1. It is x-axis and y-axis. Y is 2. And then 2. So the value is 2 is here. And it is 3.5 here. And 3. 3 will be there. And we have to put a 5. So I put a line here. So this is plotting and showing this graph. The plot is the function plotting the values of x and y, and the show is the function, it is showing the graph. Now change the line color. Syntax matplotlib dot pyplot dot plot data 1, data 2, color code. So here is the example. So I can pass red or blue, B, or any 7 colors we can pass. So R is a color code for red color. So simply the same program, I have changed only R here. Over there, I have 3 parameters. 3 parameters. One is x coordinate and y coordinate, and another is the color coordinate. Just put R. Execute from the program. It is showing in the red color. So we'll try to change in a different color like Y, yellow. Okay. Yellow color. So if I give any unknown color like A, okay, I run this. It will show. Yeah, so you have to create, you have to understand what are the parameters we need to pass. So you have to give the proper value. The blue color is there. It is displaying the blue color. Now we'll go to our documents. So now we draw the graph for red color. Now draw a line graph for a list of values, setting label of x and y. Now we learn what is x coordinate, what is y coordinate, plot we understood to create a line, to x labels. I want to put the x label as the times, y label as the distance. Show. Okay, this is another command. Just I'll copy. Over there in my program. Paste. Run this program. So it will give the labels. See this labels, time and the distance. So it plot the graph with the base of the time and distance. Now this is the setting of the label x and y. Now next things we will learn setting label of x and y axis and a title for the chart. Now we'll say that I have the x values, I have the y values. Okay. So x, if I see 10, 20, 30, overwise runs code India and West England. Okay, 10, 65, 20, 98, 30, 170, 40, 220, 50, 310. My final score is 320. So I put X label as the overs. These are the overs. And the runs code, how much amount, how much runs are stored for each 10 overs. Okay. Now title I can give overwise runs code England was India was England. Plot red color and show. Okay. So this will be giving now x-axis, y-axis, title. Okay. Go to my editor, Python editor. Over there, paste it. Execute this. See this? Overs, runs code. 10 overs, this is the my run. Then we have to go to the 20 overs. This by 20 overs. Take the figures. So 10 overs, what is score 65, 20, and then bending. And next is 30, bending. Okay, 40, bending. 50, there is a bending. Okay. Bending means the axis coordinates. It's giving the coordinates. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay, now I want to setting the line color and line width and line style. Okay, now I put a line width is 4 line style is a dash. I want to put a dash line. So this is my line style. Line color, line width, line style. Okay, now same program. I will only the pie plot is changed here, X, Y, R. I put another parameters, line width, line style. Okay, now we go there. Run this. See this. So this is my line style. Dot 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 dot. It's okay. So now 20 over and my 30 over. So everything is displayed again. Okay. Now this is we learned what we learned now. Line width and the line style. Line width, I put a dot 4. See this line and see the difference of this line and that line. Okay, and the dotted lines. I put a dash line. Now we will put a marker type, size and color. Marker type, size and color. We'll see what is the marker color. Just I put a marker plus, marker size 10, marker read, marker red, marker edge color, marker edge color. Over there. So here I am not using line width on this one. Plot. Now execute this. So there will be a marker. Each 10 over, 20 over, 30 over, 40 over, 50 over. I have the marker. So earlier we are not understanding the bending was there. If I put a marker, it will be easily understand overwise transcode India, West England. Okay, now go to there. Okay, now this is the graph we plotted. So suppose I want setting a many lines like this one. I have two schools. School 1 underscore 2. Or you can put a score 1 underscore 2. Whatever it is, some scores and a year. For the year, I can put is a count. Maybe you can put a count, school count. Okay, 2024, 2023, 2022. Year with school 1, year with the school 2. Okay, now see this year, comma, school 1, color X. So year and school is the one. Or you can put a score. Okay, top score. Anything you can mention. It's not a problem. So here, understanding purpose, I'm getting a school's count. So you can take a count. Orange. I put a orange here. Now, only plot year, school 1, color. Plot 2, year, school 2, color orange. X label, year. Y label, pass percentage. How much percentage? The school got the scores. Okay, now title, I can put school 1 and school percentage. So I can find the correlations with these schools, many lines. Okay. Now, change the program. So school 1, school 2, year school 1, year school 2. Plotting 2 lines, many lines. Which 2 lines first? See this? Very good. So each year, what are the years? What is the program? Based on the program, we draw the figures. 2024, where is the 2024? Here. 24, 90. 90 for this line. This line is, what is the green line? Green line is for school 1. So that orange line is for school 2. That's it. That's it. Okay. Now close this. So we understand all this concept. As many lines required, call plot function multiple times with the suitable arguments. So we understand what is the X label, what is the Y label, what is the title, and what is the this here we are understand the markers, how to put the markers. Same markers you can also mention for the multi lines. So markers type and the size and colors. Okay. Now next is line color, line width, line style. Okay, and the XY axis title for charts and the line graph value setting label of X and Y axis. Okay, so this all we can do with the line graph. This is the data visualizations for using the line charts using the pie plot in the matplotlib library. Anything, please comments in the comment box.